Rolls-Royce Dawn Aero Cowling for the Geneva Motor Show. As well as the Dawn, Rolls-Royce brings custom Phantoms to Geneva. Rolls-Royce will not be bringing the Cullinan SUV to the Geneva Motor Show, but it is instead displaying 4 special takes on its existing portfolio. The most striking of these is the Rolls-Royce Dawn Aero Cowling. The titular leather-lined cowling made of carbon fiber and aluminum covers the Dawn's rear seats, effectively giving it the appearance of a 2-seater, and is fitted with storage compartments. Rolls-Royce claims it is very light, but then the 570 horsepower V12 convertible weighs more than 5,600 pounds, so even a heavier decking setup would really only strain the person lifting it. In addition to the Dawn, Rolls-Royce has brought 3 custom Phantoms. The most restrained one is called the Gentleman's Tourer, which features a 2-tone gray and silver bodywork and a dark interior. The concept harkens back to 1930s Continental saloons. The second one, a long wheelbase Phantom, is called the Whispered Muse, and it has the dashboard gallery option, featuring a silk motif. Rose gold appears throughout the vehicle, including the Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament, the first one finished in rose gold. The last Phantom, also a long wheelbase, is called A Moment in Time, and its blue paint is a newly created hue. The 3 cars show off the customization capabilities of Rolls-Royce's bespoke division, and reportedly almost every customer will special order their Rolls-Royce.